Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is your boy Right Hello Drop, and today I'm going to unveil a second-hand bike or a brand new bike for me. But yeah, further inspection of mine is that the bike wasn't been used for a while. So short story, they bought it and use it for once or twice, and they store it. So before I will reveal the bike, I bought this from a friend of mine, and he told me that this bike was only used for just a stroll around, and never been used on any certain gravel roads or such. But this bike is a gravel bike, and yeah, it's a shame that they never use it on certain gravel roads. So anyway, this is the bike. So guys, this is the bike, the James Renegade Explorer. So for those who don't know this brand, James Renegade is a US brand but manufactured from Taiwan. Yeah, this is a US brand, but it's not very popular. Mostly, I think it's not a popular brand ish, but correct me on the comments below. And yeah, we'll have a bike check on this one. So this bike is a gravel bike which has a aluminum frame, a T6 6061 aluminum frame, you can see it there. And I think, oh yeah, it has a carbon fork with a Sora group set. It's a Sora group set. Sora in the front derailleur, and in the rear derailleur, this is a 9-speed cassette and 2x chain rings on the front, and it has a FSA crankset. And the hubs is a non-brand hubs, but it has a, I don't know what is this, WTB, TD or something like that. Correct me in the comments if this is a WTD rim, STI I-23. This is a DI WID or WTD, not sure about that. And yeah, this is the tire that was put here, the Nelly Explorer MSO 36 by 700C. This is all stock, and yeah, it's a and it has a Tektro brakes. This brake, actually it's a disc brake, so it's a little bit more braking power, but unfortunately the Tektro brakes are not that powerful. And yeah, it has a FSA headset with a Ritchie stem, and yeah, even the handlebar is a Ritchie. So asphalt saddle, and the stem, I think it's a, yeah, I don't know the brand of the stem. the seat post. So yeah, this James Renegade is a dual disc brake, front and back. And as you can see, I bought it second hand, but if you see this in actual, it's never been ridden. So I have said it a while ago that yeah, this bike was never ridden in any gravel roads or such. As you can see on the treads of the tire, it's, yeah, I think it was only used for once or twice and it was stored. And yeah, and about the model of this bike, I'm not sure of the model. I think it's a 2018 or 19 model, but correct me if I'm wrong, just put it on the comments below. And yeah, so all in all, this is bone stock bike, except the what do you call this, the cleats pedal. Yeah, I just put there, just replace the old the stock pedal for a Benzo tipless pedal. I've been using this for a while, and yeah, it's good, but not that good. It's good, it's cheap, and I like it. Anyway, so I bought this from a friend, and I would like to try this on the road again, because a while ago I just ride this bike and I have a problem on the derailleur part. It's not shifting that good, and a while ago I adjusted the shifter cable because there's no tension on it, and yeah, as you can see here, I just move it a little bit. I just pull it a little bit, so the problem of the derailleur is already done. And yeah, the frame size, I think this is a small to medium, or I don't know, there's nothing indicated on the frame, so we can see the frame size of this one, but yeah, there's no frame size indicated. So yeah, this is the James Renegade bike Explore. It's an aluminum frame with a carbon fork, true axle actually. The sizing of this fork is, I think it's a 100 mm to 110, not sure of it, but yeah, I'm going to measure this next time, and I'll give you my full review of this bike. Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, just comment below if I missed something on this bike. Okay, thank you.